Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a while since I've made a video, but this topic seems to come up kind of frequently. It's about the enchantments. Most people, well, not most, but it seems like a lot of, I guess most, because if you're new and you probably have no idea how to use these enchantments. I know when they first came out, I was wicked confused about them, and it doesn't tell you how to use them or what it's for. You know, the game kind of just threw it at you, or it's just in the game if you're just started playing the game, and it's a little confusing. But enchantments are like your main way to increase your stats, I guess. Your Because they give you like the most buffs and stuff, and they give you abilities for each enchantment. So enchantments basically just go on your equipment. As you can see, every weapon type has a specific enchantment type that it uses. So like, see how this is Medusa? Medusa has wind burst. So there's wind burst enchantments, and wind burst enchantments will not work with other weapons. They'll work with other like I guess you can put them on other like chest, arms, legs, and whatever. But some armor pieces work better with certain enchantments. Like with Medusa's, I guess Slain works with pretty much any weapon class or any weapon skills. But yeah, that's with enchantment. So see how this is overload, which is for Giga. You need that overload enchantments, and then there's Lauder, and he takes frenzy enchantments. Actually, perfect frenzy, you can actually use those enchantments for any weapon class, but uh, you know, it takes but gives a little. It's hard to use type of thing. And then there's combo extremity. This one's for the skeleton weapons, Kravis. So basically, with the enchantments, what you want to do with them is they give you attributes, right? When you have perfect enchantments, which are the red ones, always try to use your red enchantments on your legs, your chest, your arms, and your headpiece. The reason why is because you don't get many of them, and these four items, the main attribute doesn't really matter that much. It matters, but it doesn't matter as much as these four right here: the weapon, the back, and the pets. So what you want to do is use your perfect enchantments on these four items, because you won't have to re-roll them. Because on your weapon, you want physical attack attribute. Don't worry about these attributes below the main one. The main has to be a physical attack. I think, what else does it give you? Isn't there like a question mark or something you can do to see? Where the heck is it? That's weird. I could have sworn it can show you. Like basically, the weapons can get a different attribute. I don't know what it is. Maybe HP or restore or something. But you don't want that. It's pointless. The only thing you want for the main attribute for your weapons is physical attack. So you want to keep rolling until you get, rolling by like enchanting again and again. That's rolling. Your enchantments till you get a physical. And on your back piece, you want to have elemental attack. So you roll, and say if you only have like 3 enchantments and you have both of these don't have physical or elemental, roll on on your weapon, because the weapon is more important to have physical than your back piece to have elemental. Excuse me. My bad. And with your pet, these ones are interesting because I'm pretty sure pets can get any main attribute, which is kind of annoying because you have to roll. Like you can get water, thunder, pierce, strike, like pretty much like any main attribute, which is you have to roll a few times to get what you want. But these ones are interesting because it depends on what you're playing. So right now, the reason why I have 2 water elements is because I don't have a Medusa backpack. Damn, so this is like all up to you guys, pretty much how you play your set, I guess. But all right, for just for framework, I guess, just for everyone's sake, let basically what you want is either the element of the weapon you have, right? So this is water element, and I'm using Medusa, which is a water weapon, right? So I have water element because it will give me water damage. So also say if I put the thunder and there was a water element here, that it wouldn't do anything. Like it wouldn't help at all because my weapon is thunder. So this is only if you want elemental damage. But say if you want like more physical damage, you can get pierce. I don't have pierce, but it depends on what weapon you're playing. See how my damage type is pierce right here? So if I got like pierce main attribute, again everybody, only worry about main attributes. Don't concern yourself about everything under it. That's not important. That's only important like later on in the game. Like these bottom sub attributes, like I'm not even like messing with them right now either, because like that's for like forever later. When you get your main attribute perfect and then you lock it, then you wanna, it's like a whole thing. But anyways, so say if I was playing this cannon, right? The damage type is strike. So say if I wanted more like physical damage, I would want these to be strike. That goes for oh, and also for pets. Hopefully you guys know this, but since this is a water weapon, I have a water pet. It gives me water elemental damage increase, right? You see this, guys? So say if you play like a fire one with this, like this is like pointless. It'll give me elemental attack, like as my main like stats, right? It'll increase it, but it won't give me like the fire elemental damage. Like that doesn't do anything for me. So whatever weapon you're playing, so if I'm playing this cannon, which is thunder, I might want to use this, but I might not want to actually because canning is best for physical. So say if you had the cannon, then you would use 2 worms. In my opinion, that would probably be best. Damn, I went off track. I'm not even talking about pets right now. I'm talking about enchantments. But yes, by the way, guys, damn, I'm probably too late already. I should have told you this in the beginning, but like grab a piece of paper or pencil. You want to take down some notes or just rewatch the video, and definitely make sure to like comment any questions, or if I'm like confusing, because like it's late. It's like, I don't know, let me see, 12:30 almost. I can't sleep and I just decided to make this video. But yeah, that's pretty much how enchantments work. They're not like super complicated, but like I can understand how people don't understand them, because the game doesn't tell you at all how to use them or what they are really or nothing. But yes, enchantments are basically just, I don't know. Make sure you have your red enchantments on these 4: head, shoulders, knees, and toes, right? head, chest, arms, and legs. That's where your red enchantments go. You want to make sure you have physical attack and elemental attack as your main attribute for your weapon in your back. And these, and for your pets, for your main attribute, it depends on what weapon you have, and it depends on what element you're using. So because all the other attributes don't matter, what you want is either pierce damage, because my weapon is pierce, or water damage because my weapon is water. So you guys see what I mean? So this might give you HP or restore or defense or XYZ, I don't know, WQZW. But those things don't matter. So just water and pierce, because I'm playing water pierce. So that's basically how you want to use your enchantments. And so that I talk about how every class has their own enchantments. I hope I brought that up. If not, so combo extremity is for skeleton equipment. So that goes for, skeleton swords, skeleton cannons, anything skeleton. Not even equipment, just the weapon type itself. The weapon. If you're using a skeleton weapon, the head, chest, arms, and legs don't matter. Like you can use you can use anything, any of those pieces to go with these enchantments. What you want is the weapon itself. So combo extremity is for skeleton. Overload is for Giga. Surging waves is for Rami. So Rami weapon, and this is for slain weapons. Oh, wind burst. I don't even have any. Wind burst is for Medusa, and frenzy, which is for Lauder, which is that. So those are how the enchantments work. I'm gonna leave. My bad. Excuse me. I'm gonna leave our Discord server in the description. Jeez. Sorry. I'm gonna leave our Discord server in the description so that you guys can join there, and if you have any questions, you can ask us there. But you can also ask me here in the comments. And yeah. Last words. Tell your friends about this game. Seems like the game is dying, but I love this game. We need more players. And yeah, that's about it. Bye.